So today in class 10 biology we will start with the heartbeat, pulse rate, and also what are the different consequences and how they differ from man to woman in case of children also. Today we will start with the pulse rate, heartbeat, and also their consequences. So we will start with the question, that is, do oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mix during cardiac cycle? So oxygenated and deoxygenated blood do not mix during cardiac cycle. Oxygenated blood from lungs is carried by pulmonary vein into left atrium, then into left ventricle during atrial systole. Finally, it reaches organs via systemic aorta. So oxygenated blood is confined only to left chamber. On the other hand, deoxygenated blood from tissues is carried by superior and inferior vena cava into right atrium, then into right ventricle during atrial systole. Finally, it reaches lungs via pulmonary artery. So, deoxygenated blood is confined only to right chambers. Since left and right chambers are separated by septa, two forms of blood never mix. That is the main answer of never actually mix in this deoxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Now move on to the another topic, that is called the heartbeat. That is a systolic contraction followed by one diastolic relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. It basically one cardiac cycle. So now move on to the sound associated with the heartbeat. The two sounds are associated with the heartbeat, that is lab and dub. Lab, that is first sound produced during cardiac cycle. It is produced due to closing of the atrioventricular valves during ventricular systole. Whereas in case of dub, that is second sound produced during cardiac cycle, it is produced due to closing of the semilunar, that is pulmonary and aortic valves during the end of ventricular systole. Now what is the instrument that is used to check the regulatory of the heartbeat? That is electrocardiograph is used to check the regularity of the heartbeat. Now move on to the another topic, that is called the portal system and portal vein. Sometimes capillaries from nearby organs unite to form a vein that redivides to form capillaries which supply blood to another organ. The vein thus carries deoxygenated blood from one organ to another instead of heart. This system is called portal system. Such a vein is also called the portal vein. Here also in diagram also you will see that hepatic portal vein and how actually it circulate the blood. Now move on to the another term, that is called the pulse and pulse rate. There is contraction and relaxation of arterial wall when blood is pumped during ventricular systole, causing rhythmic throbbing of arteries is called pulse. Measure of number of heartbeats per minute is called pulse rate. In infant and children below 10 years, it is around 100 to 150 beats per minute. It is around 60 to 100 beats per minute for children above 10 years. In normal adult man and woman, pulse rate is about 64 to 72 beats per minute and 72 to 80 beats per minute respectively. So these are the different rate of pulse. Now there is some disorder also there associated with the irregular of heartbeat, that is known as the tachycardia, that is condition when heartbeat increases above 100 beats per minute, and bradycardia, that is condition when heartbeat decreases below 60 beats per minute. So today up to that, next we will start with another topic.